are quite far back today because we have something a little bit larger to look at. I have not long had this rug, as I'm sure you know, but today I bought another one. Yes, from a very posh house in the village not far from me. I have this pure wool, heavy as balls rug that's in not too bad condition and hopefully isn't going to stink. But let's see how clean we can get it, because in the before picture, in the for sale pictures, there was our old friend the skimming Beko X4 sat in shot. So I thought it'd be a great idea if we'll test the old Sharky Shark versus the old Dyson Dyson. Complete blank canvas test bench. Nothing rigged, nothing made up. Who knows? They could both stay completely empty. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Welcome to your grandmother's front room. Yes, I bought this rug for £20. I bought it for 20 quid. It looked clean enough. I'm bored of this black rug. I burnt a hole in it the other day as well. So I thought, you know what, 20 quid, the kids are going to trash it anyway. Let's just get it. It can be alright for a couple of videos and then think of something else. Shush. But it's actually a decent wool rug. Actually pretty good. So I thought, what a fab opportunity to test some cordlesses without having to put any dirt down. Who knows, the Beko X4 may mean that we get nothing out. So, well, before we go try loads of other vacuums on it, we'll start here and do this side with the Dyson on automatic with the gate on normal as well. Ooh. Some nice grooming going on. We've rolled up a little bit, but it is skimming the surface completely. I can feel the torque head literally moving sideways. Let's try it from another way. I think, yeah, it's bringing it up. Cannot deny that. But yeah, it does feel like it's riding around on the top of the wall a bit. What's it picked up? Wow. Hang on. One heck of an amount of fine, gritty, very gritty. I daren't open it because it will go everywhere. Very gritty, deep down dirt. Fair enough, Dyson. Let's bop you into boost. Whoa. Oh. Oh, the head doesn't fully like it. Gotta keep it moving. Let's try it on normal, but with the head. Much better. Wow. Whoa. Oh, right. Boost is too much, but plus on the head. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I mean, it's all sort of everywhere really. Let's put that to one side for now. We'll have a bit of a look later. And if I can move you over to the other side, we shall, and find its bin, because I've emptied it, so we can see how much it picks up. Check out the Shark. Because the Shark IC160 and now IC160 with the anti-wrap head is pretty much a direct competitor to our Dyson V11. And V11 outside now. So again, I'm going to do a pass in just completely normal, turn it on, let it do its thing. I will just move my lights back so I don't drop into them. This could be a lot different. I think this brush fold is more aggressive. See if it actually is. a fair bit more aggression, but again, it's just riding the top. And look, you can see it goes sideways when I put it back. Oh. It's a bit skippity. Oh, blimey. That's not nice. It's hitting these sculpted bits. Oh, blimey, that was a bit grim, but equally it's picked up its own little tiny bit, not as much dirt. Let's hold down the boost button because I can't press it. Again, it's making all the difference in the world having it on boost. And again, thanks to cordless not being as fabulous as corded, it's not picked up anywhere near as much as the Dyson. Let's have a closer look. This is what the Dyson picked up. And where did I put the bin for the shark? Here it is. Ah, that is what the shark picked up. The same dirt, the same rug. Although, yeah, if you have one of these, just don't buy cordless at all. And I imagine the shark's probably given us even more of a little present in its filter, which wasn't clean anyway. And it's certainly not clean now, whereas the Dyson's is still as it was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, when I last washed it. Oh dear, the purple plastic, that's ominous. Where the heck has that come from? Ah, it's Dyson. Oh, it's fallen to bits already. The warranty's out 13 days after the time of this. Oh gosh, right. Enough messing around with cordlesses. The Dyson has won that one fair and square. So let's see what a corded can pick out next. This is a Dyson DC41, which should last the length of doing this with it. It was in the shed and the motor sounded a bit grumbly, but I thought, oh, it's just these new filters. No, the motor is doing what all the DC41s do and is burning out. So I basically put this back together as a source for decent spares for if I get another DC41. But this is the pre-EU 1300, oh God, I hate that design, 1300 watt model. And yes, if I had a Dyson UP22 light ball, I would be using that instead. But I don't. So, head on max. Let's do another 50-50. I have a plan. Actually, a lot of that is this filter, I think. Hang on. I put a new set of filters on it and then took them off promptly when I realised what it might be about to do. And I put that one on for this video just now, but I don't think... Well, there we go, you can hear it more now, look. Hear that odd tone? Yeah. Not long to this world! It's starting to smell a bit as well, but the point is proven because, yeah, the corded with like an extra 800 watts of power has yet again picked up a fair amount. But this wool rug is being controversial because it's now really soft and doesn't smell, which is nice. I got a red one. You probably saw some pictures on social media, but I got a red one and it stank of dog. Oh my god, it was horrible. So hopefully this one won't do that. In fact, actually the part seems to go that way and that way. Very interesting. Right, well, we've done a corded Dyson on our pure wool rug. Let's try a corded shark. The cordless shark being my AX950, which is still not classed as done. Same as the other AX950 because it is missing its sole plate wheels. So I can't say it like that because it will just wear away at the bottom of it. But it should work enough for me to give it a go over here and see what all 800 odd watts of shark corded power can do. And again, this is the bigger model. So in theory, this is what you would buy if you had the sort of house that I got this from. Crikey, it was massive. So a bit more relevant perhaps. What we are, half floor. Oh yeah, this has been hacked as well, so it doesn't really matter. Whoa! Oh, that likes it. Look at those track marks. Oh, we come this way. No, waiting for. Oh, it's again fucking going around all over the shop, but doing it very well. Look, he just puts himself sideways unless I'm really concentrating. And already the shark side does feel better than the Dyson side. This thing certainly has done well there, and oh my goodness, that's picked up loads. Whoa, just from that side of the rug. Holy cow. I'm going to reposition a bit, and I think while we've got this out, do the whole rug. But I don't think I won't like this anyway. I think I want to flip it. So I'm going to do that now. There we go. Ish. I mean, the ultimate plan, I think, is I want to get rid of this sofa and get one that's not a corner one. Then once that's done, so a big quarter of that is going to be pushed under the sofa, I think. But this way, well, let's do the best one that we found so far. It wants to be flat anyway, it's been in the car, rolled up. I'd like it more, but it just keeps going off at an angle. Rise and slow. wasn't half bad. Certainly lots of potential. It's so nice. It's dense and the file's fluffy and oh my goodness, my Shark AZ950 powered Duo Clean Lift Away is no longer clean and nice. Oh. That is what it picked up. Look, oh, that is all the SIBO mist. That is just dust. That's not even fluff. Oh my god, the clean and oh wow. Again, this is why you don't use a Shark for not anything really, let alone things like this. Holy moly, has this stayed in there? No, dust all the way through in my new motor housing. Oh well, it's got to be used at some point. Crikey. Right, I'm going to get everything that we've used today cleaned up. So there we go, folks. Definitely don't know how long it's going to stay nice for. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wash it with an extraction machine for a couple of little spots of tea here and there. As for this rug, I've been blowing, I've only had it 5 minutes. I've had it a bit longer than you seen it recorded. But yeah, I burnt a hole in it the other day. Where is it? I dropped my soldering iron and yep, there it is. It's got a big scorch mark right in the middle of it. The plan for this is actually to put it by my back door where that bit of carpet's been forever. Gosh, I need to sort everything out. That's a job for this weekend because all of that's got to be stripped out because the carpet goes under there. So yeah, this is going to stay. It's going to be used for its actual purpose. And this wool rug, well, if it's no good, we'll have to swap, won't we? That's the beauty of this channel. As long as I've got something to run a vacuum cleaner around on to show you said vacuum cleaner, who knows, and it feels quite nice underfoot. But I don't think those cordlesses and that Shark have really done everything they need. There is certainly feels like a lot more dirt in here. So I think a trip into the loft is in order to get the Kirby or a Turbo Master or the DC17 down to see how much more we can get out of it. But not today, I've got enough other stuff to do. So hey, at least it'll look good for the 1990s cleaners, won't it? I've got the orange carpet for the 70s and 80s. We've now got something for the 90s and the early 2000s. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Yeah, can I bang a Vax, wet, rapide job over this or not? Please do let me know. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.